In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing with Google Ads in our new 2025 complete tutorial. If you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to refine your strategies, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide designed to help you effectively use Google Ads to boost your affiliate marketing efforts. First, start by going to the Google Ads homepage. You can simply search for Google Ads on your browser, and it should take you to their main site. Google Ads is a powerful tool that helps businesses connect with potential customers through strategic online advertising. It's essential to get familiar with the platform as it offers a range of features to enhance your marketing campaigns. Once on the homepage, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This is typically located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process where you'll be guided through entering your details and setting up your account. Signing in is crucial because it gives you access to the dashboard where all the advertising magic happens. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This is your command center for creating and managing all your ad campaigns. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its layout. Here you'll find several tools and options that you'll be using throughout your campaigns. Your next task is to click on the Campaign tab. This is where you can start creating your ad campaigns. Campaigns in Google Ads are essentially a set of ad groups that share a budget, location targeting, and other settings. Within the Campaign tab, you'll have the chance to outline your goals and structure your campaigns in a way that aligns with your marketing objectives. Now it's time to focus on keywords by clicking the Keywords section. Keywords are the backbone of your ad campaigns, influencing who sees your ads and how relevant they are to the users. They should be chosen carefully and strategically. In this section, you can manage your keywords, add new ones, or pause the ones that aren't performing as expected. Conducting thorough keyword research is the next crucial step. This step is all about finding the right keywords that potential customers are using to search for products or services similar to what you're promoting. Use tools like the Google Keyword Planner to help you identify high-performing keywords. This tool provides insights on keyword volume, competition, and bid estimates, which are invaluable for planning your campaign. By mastering these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully integrating Google Ads into your affiliate marketing strategy. Remember, the key is to monitor and adjust your campaigns as needed based on their performance. Keep experimenting with different keywords, ad copy, and targeting to see what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to keep honing your skills for optimal results in your marketing journey.